Hello friends, welcome back to Quick Tech. In this video, we are going to see what is tuple in Python. A Python tuple is very similar to a list with one major difference. It is immutable. In the previous lecture, we have seen what is a list in Python, and the list was immutable. Sorry, the list was mutable, but the tuple are immutable. Means we cannot change the contents of the tuples after it is creating. For example, let's see, and we are creating the tuples using the parenthesis. Now I am giving some values here. The tuples are immutable, and the tuples are also a collection of heterogeneous data elements, and giving some data. Okay, this is my tuple, and I can print it by using the print function. Here you can see the tuple contains the different elements, while we can retrieve data through indexing, because the tuple is also an ordered collection, but we cannot modify the tuple because it is immutable. Okay, so let's see an example. Hmm, what I want to do, I'm going to print tuple of second elements. Here you can see I'm just printing a second element, second index of the tuples. Now I'm going to assign a new value to that tuple. Okay, tuple of second index is equals to 90. Okay, here you can see the tuple object does not support item assignment, means it is immutable. We cannot change the values of tuple after creating. If you want to change the value in tuple, then you have to assign a whole tuple again. For example, I want to change the value of my tuple, then I have to I have to write down or assign these values to the tuple. So again I'm giving here, I have assigned new values to my tuple. So these implicit tuples uh, comes up most often when working with functions that returns multiple outputs. For example, we might have a function that returns the first and last letter of a string. Define the first, oh, first, last of str. Here, I'm just writing here. Yes, no need to write down whole thing. Okay, return s of 0, comma s of -1. Okay, here here is equals to first, last, and I'm passing the string here hello to the my function. Just Oh, sorry. Gas equals to hello. Here I'm going to print gas. You can see the function return the first and last characters from the given string. So here in this case we uses the tuples, and tuple also doesn't support for item deletions. Um, in in the above case we have seen we use tuple for storing the characters. In such cases we will sometimes want to store the multiple output in separate variables. So let's see in another example. First char, sorry, char, and last char. Okay, here I am returning first and passing the string to my function. Okay. Here you can check print first char. Oh, sorry. Here you can see this separate. It returns this word alphabets, and I am storing it in separate variables here. Okay. So this syntax is called unpacking. Okay. We can use it with any tuple whether it was written by a function or not. Both the Python list and tuple are order and heterogeneous collections. However, unlike the list, tuple is immutable, meaning it cannot be changed after created. Therefore, the list might be better for representing data that is expected to change over the course of a program. Like a to-do list, a tuple might be better for representing data that is expected to be fixed, like the responses of an individual subject to a survey. Here, I'm another giving an another example of an unpacking. Let's see. We have created a list above, and I'm just unpacking the values of that list. First, I want to assign name. Second, I want to assign age variable. Third element, I'm going to assign this variable. Then height, and last one is, sorry, score. Okay, so I'm assigning these values of the tuples to a different variables. Now I'm going to print rows. Okay, so all the values are unpacked, and the values are stored in different variables. You can see here. Another one is birth year. Next one is height, and last one has car. Okay, so that's it from this video.